Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, how to use Cleraluxe Moringa Berberine weight loss patch. So, you might be wondering, what is this weight loss patch that you may be hearing or seeing online? So, the Cleraluxe Moringa and Berberine weight management patch is a transdermal nano micro needle patch that the website markets as non-injectable way to deliver ingredients. Now, in this case, or according to them, it contains such ingredients such as moringa, berberine, and NAD plus through the skin. Now, the manufacturer here says these ingredients are intended to support appetite regulation, help blood sugar responses, lipid metabolism, energy, and skin firmness during weight management. Now, how to exactly use these patches here? Now, this is according or in their website. You can just read into it if you want to learn more about it. But according to them, or according to the instructions on the product listing itself, it says to use one patch per day and wear it for about 8 hours. Now, with applications during sleep recommended is recommended here, and each patch is designed to for a single use per day. So basically, one patch is single use. So you need to apply another one for the next day. Now, to apply it here, you first need to choose a clean, dry, hair-free area of the skin, such as the upper arm or abdomen here. Build a patch from its backing, place it directly on your skin, and press it lightly so it can securely attach. Now, the company describes the patch as having ultra fine micro needle structure here. So they do say, or they do show that as well in here, as you can see right now. And basically, it's approximately 1/7 of thickness of a human hair, which it says allows the ingredients to be delivered through the skin without the traditional injections. Now, the formula is specifically highlights moringa and berberine here, which Cleraluxe here says works together to support appetite management, lipid metabolism, and uh, basically the patch is also enriched with NAD+, which the website says supports cellular energy and skin firmness. Now, remember, these are claims inside their website. So, in simpler terms here, to make it a lot better to understand, this is a once daily weight management patch that you place on clean, dry skin and leave on for around 8 hours, with the company using nano microneedle technology to deliver the listed ingredients through the skin. Now, these effects and benefits are claims made by the manufacturer. Now, because this is a weight management product containing active ingredients such as berberine, well, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before using it is recommended, particularly if you take medication or have an existing medical condition. And also, doing your own research into the ingredients and the manufacturer's instructions is also recommended, and maybe reading a bit more about reviews about the product inside and outside the website is also recommended. But in this case, that's about it. So if I found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.